Hello, here's a small website that I've created using HTML coding. Uh, Basically, this is a practice for my multimedia class where we had to incorporate around 30 or more HTML tags. Let's briefly go through some of the things on my site here. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, we have a little header right here which says IGR 455 HTML practice. That's just something you can do using tags and HTML, just to make it look more professional instead of just having to say untitled or something like that, or just nothing being there. And as we look below that, we see a little music player. I was able to put music into this site and play a little snippet of it. There's a little preview of the song there. For those of you that don't know, the name of that song is called Fly Like an Eagle by Seal, and it actually is from the Space Jam soundtrack, a movie which Michael Jordan starred in, his most famous movie he was in actually as well. As we take a look, we can look here and notice that the background is red. That's another customization you can do when you're working with HTML coding, because the default color is normally white. As we look here, we see my text and picture here are all centered. That's something else you would have to do in the code to make sure that it's organized, looking centered, etc. From here you can see different fonts, different sizes, different colors, different headers, and etc. And if you take a look at the picture here, you notice there's a little frame outside of it. That's another tag that you can incorporate with the picture so it has that border and frame like that, looking nice. And right here you see a blue underlined statement right here which says visit ESPN to see Michael Jordan's career stats. That allows you to go to another link. Let's take a look at that. So when we click that link, we get to ESPN to see Michael Jordan's career stats, and you can take a look at that site there and get all the information you want about Michael Jordan's stats when he was in the NBA. In order to get back, you simply just click the back button and you get back to the site here. As I scroll down, you see other things like moving font, where you see it says Michael Jordan's bio, where it's moving from left to right, and then it disappears and reappears in between these two borders, which I put there as well. And right underneath that is a little short bio about the career and life of Michael Jordan. And as we come down even more, we notice this little section right here is left justified, as well as has bullets. That's another code that you can use to incorporate in your site just to organize some information and make it look professional. And we come down here, we see a little text box area where it says your top 10 favorite NBA players. You can just type in a couple names there just to see that you can put in text in there, And a little button that says submit. Right now, it's not linked to any of the sites, so when you press submit, you get a web page not found because I haven't created another page for that yet. You go back and, we go down a little bit more. We see created by Jeremy Frazier, which is me. It's basically just a footer which goes towards the end of the site, just to make it look a little professional. And as we come down here, we see a little yellow box here with the acronym NBA in there. The yellow background is just to show that you can customize a specific aspect of your font or your words or your text or etc., whatever you put there, and just have that one color while your actual background's another color. If we hover over NBA, we notice it has National Basketball Association. That's another tag that you can put in there, which is the acronym tag. Now, just to take a look at the source code in here, just to see some of the tags I use, you would right click on the screen and then you would go to view page source. I already have it up, so here's some of my tags. The main parts of HTML coding is the HTML tag, the body tag, and then the header tag. So from there, we can take a look at some of the tags I have here. We have title, we have audio, we have center, and H2, which is a type of header tag. We have P, which is for paragraph. The href, which allows you to put a link. We have an image tag, which allows you to put an image. And this one specifically deals with being able to put a border as well. When we look at this line right here, you see the font was edited with a different size, color, and just different font in general. We scroll down, we see more things like I, which is for italicized, the H rule, block quote, and we have the marquee, which allows for your text to move back and forth or whatever direction you want, and ULLI, this is where you get your bullets from. And just got just several tags here, just experimenting, seeing what they create. And basically that's the little site that I've created so far. I look forward to adding more to it.